Welcome to Quiz Hunters. In this video we will learn about 35 interesting quiz on birds and you will get 5 seconds to answer each question. If you love this video, please subscribe, like and share. Let's begin. Question number 1. Name the bird that lays the largest egg. And the correct answer for this one is ostrich. Next question. Which bird is known as the world's fastest bird? And the correct answer is Peregrine Falcon. Next question. Name the bird that can fly backwards. And the correct answer is Hummingbird. Next question. What is the largest breed of penguins called? And the correct answer is emperor penguins. Next question. What is the study of birds called as? And the answer for this one is ornithology. Next question. Which bird is the symbol of wisdom and knowledge? And the correct answer for this one is owl. Next question. What is a bird's wings made of? And the correct answer for this one is feather and hollow bones. Next question. What is a group of crows called? And the correct answer is a motor. Next question. Which bird swallows stones to digest its food? And the correct answer is ostrich. Next question. How many earth chambers does a bird have? And the correct answer for this one is 4. Next question is, which feathers help to keep bird's body warm? And the correct answer is down feathers. Next question. Which is the world's most smallest bird? And the correct answer is B. Hummingbird. Next question. How many kinds of feathers do birds have? And the correct answer is 6. Next question. Which bird is known as the king of birds? And the correct answer is eagle. Next question. Which component is bird's eggshells is mainly made of? And the correct answer is calcium. Next question. Name the largest bird in the world. And the correct answer is ostrich. Next question. Name the most talkative bird in the world. And the correct answer is African grey parrot. Next question. Name the bird whose eggs are blue in color. And the correct answer is American robin. Next question. While flying, the heartbeat of bird can up to? Answer is 1250 per minute. Next question. Name the bird who is the symbol of happiness. And the correct answer is Bluebird. Next question is, how many species of birds are found in the world? And the correct answer is 10,000 plus. Next question, name a bird with the most number of feathers. And the correct answer is whistling swan. Next question, which bird has a throat pouch to catch fishes? And the correct answer is pelican. Next question is, name a flightless bird who kills human. And the correct answer is cassowary. Next question, name the bird who can't move its eyeball at all. And the correct answer is owl. Next question, in birds, which sense is the weakest? And the correct answer is smell. Next question, name the bird with a big yellow break. And the correct answer is toucan. Next question, name the bird that can sleep standing up. And the correct answer is flamingo. Next question is, process of birds shedding its feather is called? And the correct answer is moulting. Next question, a bird that can move both its upper and lower back. And the correct answer is parrot. Next question, the country where we can find most black swans. And the correct answer is Australia. Next question, journey made by birds according to the seasons is called? And the correct answer is migration. Next question, what is the weight of a single ostrich egg is called? And the correct answer is 1.5 kg. Next question, when a baby swan is born, what is the color? And the correct answer is gray. Next question, which is the most poisonous bird in the world? And the correct answer for this one is hooded Pitohui. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, you can subscribe to this channel and you can share this content as much as possible. Wait for next videos. Keep enjoying. Stay safe. Thank you.